Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn 25 daily use sentences or learn spoken English. Practice play a very important role to be fluent in any language. So if you wanted to be fluent in English language too, let's start practice with these sentences. So without any delay, let's start the video. मुझे कुछ ज़रूरी काम है. I have some urgent work. I have some urgent work. मेरा मोबाइल नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find my mobile. I can't find my mobile. मेरा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find my charger. I can't find my charger. मेरी घड़ी तेज चल रही है. My watch is running fast. My watch is running fast. मेरी घड़ी धीमी चल रही है. My watch is running slow. My watch is running slow. कुछ खाने को ले लो. Get something to eat. Get something to eat. मैं उसे काबू नहीं कर सकता. I can't control him. I can't control him. तुम बहुत अच्छे व्यक्ति हो. You are such a nice person. You are such a nice person. वह बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. He is such a nice boy. He is such a nice boy. आप किस कॉलेज से हो? Which college are you from? Which college are you from? मुझे मेरे हाल पर छोड़ दो. Leave me in my own condition. Leave me in my own condition. आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am extremely happy today. I am extremely happy today. मैं किसी तरह से ये कर पाया. I could do it somehow. I could do it somehow. वो तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा था. He was standing opposite you. He was standing opposite you. उसे लू लग गई. She suffered from sunstroke. She suffered from sunstroke. यह बस तुम्हारी कल्पना है. It's just your imagination. It's just your imagination. मैं उससे बाजार में मिला था. I met him in market. I met him in market. मैंने तुम्हें कहीं देखा है. I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. उसे कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will he take? How much time will he take? तुम कब तक यहाँ ठहरोगे? For how long will you stay here? For how long will you stay here? मैं लड़ने के मूड में नहीं हूँ. I am not in mood to fight. I am not in mood to fight. मैं आपको फ़ोन करने ही वाला था. I was about to call you. I was about to call you. आसमान बादलों से घिरा हुआ है. The sky is overcasted. The sky is overcasted. तुम हद पार कर रहे हो. You are crossing the limit. You are crossing the limit. मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा देना. Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. So friends, ये थे 25 daily use sentences. I hope you will like this video. If you will like this video, then hit the like icon and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next video with more sentences. Till then, take care and keep practicing.